To use Amazon Prime Visa points on Amazon. Start by understanding what Amazon Prime Visa points are. These points are rewards earned through the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card, which offers 5% back on Amazon purchases, 2% back at gas stations, restaurants, and drugstores, and 1% back on all other purchases. First, ensure you have an Amazon Prime membership and the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card. If you do not have the card, you can apply for it on the Amazon website. Once you have the card, you can start earning points on your purchases. To redeem your points on Amazon, go to the Amazon website and sign into your account. Click on the Account and Lists drop-down menu at the top right corner of the page. Then select Account. Scroll down to the Amazon Wallet section and click on Redeem Rewards Points. On the Redeem Rewards Points page, you will see your available points balance. You can redeem your points for a statement credit, gift cards, or travel. To use your points on Amazon, select the option to shop with points. You can use your points to pay for all or part of your purchase. When you select Shop with Points, you will be taken to a page where you can enter the amount of points you want to use. You can enter a specific amount of points or use the slider to select the amount. The minimum amount of points you can use is 100 points, which is equivalent to $1. After selecting the amount of points you want to use, click Apply Points to Order. You will then be taken to the payment page, where you can complete your purchase. Your points will be deducted from your available balance, and you will receive an email confirmation of your purchase. Best practices for using Amazon Prime Visa points on Amazon include redeeming your points regularly to avoid losing them, using your points for purchases you would normally make, and combining your points with other discounts and promotions to maximize your savings. Additionally, consider setting up automatic redemption to ensure you never miss a reward. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your Amazon Prime Visa points on Amazon to save money and get the most out of your rewards.